all are doing fine. So today I would like to share some of the experience how to install air purifier model WINIX C535. And for this model, for right now, it's very good because it includes the filter for 2 years of use, so you may feel safe when you have the device at least for 2 years. And saying that, I'm not the promoter of the device, but because I'm concerned of the air quality in my unit, so today I bought it from Costco with some discount, $40, and with the original price is $189 plus tax Canadian dollar. So let's go. So for this box, it come up with some device inside, and I gonna share with you. So before going to that, you can see that the device is to purify dust, pollen, smoke, also from the ultra fine particle and VOCs, and also even hair, and also pet dander. So how to install it, to use it at the best quality of the product? So let's go with me. So okay, so when you open the box, you're gonna get the device. So you're gonna get the device. So good here for you. Okay, you have to have the device. So when you have the device, the first thing I have the question how to install it properly. So yeah, and I open it. So I have the user manual, and also include with the remote control with the activate carbon filter, and this have 2 bags that you can use at least for 2 years. And so let's move on. So for this, we have to remove the front band, and for this one, it installed with the true HEPA filter. It is the confusing that I have the question for myself, whether I should put the true HEPA filter back or I do something else. So yeah, let's move on. So and then we have to remove it by press it down both sides. Oh, okay, good enough. And then we have the last one, that this bag we include. Normally it comes with the clothes, but I just cut it. Include with the activate carbon filter and through HEPA filter. It's so simple thing, so we just put it back into inside, something like this. Okay, and free filter. Okay, and close the front fan. It's done. So it will need to go. So what else that we should know about this device? I move on with the remote control. So there are 4 functions. The first thing is about on and off. Second is about the turbo, how speed it is, and the third is about the automatic machine, whether we want to make it run automatically or manually. The last is about the fan speed, plus minus. And for how to install this one, okay, remove it, and here, yeah. So at the back you can see the battery come with. So it's very simple. Take it out and then you can use it. But if you want to see how it's inside, you have to press this part and then press to do the same thing. Press and then move it out, and you see the battery have the cross sign and the top. So it's done with the remote control. I put it back in the plastic so it how to protect it to keep it safer. And move on to the how to clean it. So how to clean it? So for the activated carbon filter, you are advised to replace it every 3 months. And for the true HEPA filter, you are advised to replace it every 1 year. And both are not washable. But for the free filter, it is washable and it is permanently used with the machine. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a carbon filter. We replace it every 3 months, replace it every 1 year, and you can use the vacuum to clean inside, and also you can use the damp cloth to wash it, and not to use any liquid because it can damage the device. So I put it back. Okay. So for device, it's advised to place on the firm flat area, because when it is not firm, it can make the function of the air purifier not function very well or to the max capacity. And you are advised also place it from, like for example, from the back to the device, it between 8 to 12 inches from side and from the side as well, and not advised to put any place very close to any electric device like TVs. So yeah, so it is all about the basic information about installing. And so for more surprising, come up with the manual. So WINIX it come up with the lottery. So for this, for WINIX Filter Club, you have the chance to win $500 Canadian dollar after you fill up like your email, your mail, that means your mail address, and then your phone number. It's good, right? So yeah, it's just very basic information how to install it. And then if you like to get more very detailed information, I also include in the description how to go very more in detail about benefit, how to take care of it, and how to clean it, and also the function of it. And like you see here, it also have on and off, and how the mood, and then how the plasma valve, fan speed, time, and here is about reset. So this you can use the needle to reset it. So when you should reset the device, it's when you replace the true HEPA filter. And when I may forget to tell you about when you clean it. When you clean it, you need to take out the plug from the electricity and then let the device to cool down to avoid any damage on the device. So thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. And if you have any comment or question, please let me know in this video. Thank you so much.